everyone, we are the Singh siblings.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhyuday Singh.
So we are on a long road trip and we have just begun with our journey, and yeah, it is dark outside because it is 5:40 in the morning right now. So we have reached here at Bharatpur City. This is the car parking. The parking fees for bus is rupees 250, and parking fees for light motor vehicles like car, traveller, jeep and these type of four-wheel vehicles is 60 rupees, and then for two-wheelers it is 25 rupees. Safari starts at 8. Activities that are present in the bird sanctuary, that is Tonga, 4-seater boat, 8-seater boat and electronic vans and everything, and it also has rickshaws, and we are in a rickshaw. Only 2 people can sit in a rickshaw, so we are taking 2 rickshaws for 4 people. The sanctuary was created 250 years ago and is named after Akyola Dev Shiva temple within its boundaries. Initially, it was a natural depression. It was constructed by Maharaja Surajmal, the ruler of the princely state of Bharatpur, between 1726 to 1763. The park was a hunting ground for the Maharajas of Bharatpur. The last big shoot was held in 1964, but the Maharaja retained shooting rights until 1972. In 1985, the park was declared a World Heritage Site under the World Heritage Convention. We are here at the woodland, and after this we'll be going to the wetland. Till now we have seen an yellow-footed green pigeon and a spotted owlet. The spotted owlet is the smallest species of owl, and now we are going to see parrots. Our guide said that in India, whatever parrot-like birds we see, those are not parrots, those are all parakeets. And the one my brother just saw, those were the rose-ringed parakeets. The male parakeets have this rose ring around their neck, and the females don't have it. And we saw the rose ring, we saw the plum head, and that we saw like a parakeet. That small bird on top of that branch is a green bee eater. Now we have left our rickshaws and this is a walking trail. Such beautiful birds that we have never seen before, like the spotted owlet, the rufous tree pie, and these kind of different birds. And here at Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, there are 364 species of birds, and from those 364 species, 200 are migratory birds. There are local birds also. The local birds breed here only. Probably see python also, I think. That is a wild boar drinking water. Those nest on the tree are the nest of storks. They are left alone because now the babies of the stork have grown up and they have left their home. But still, there are some stork babies sitting in a nest. Bharatpur National Park is open throughout the year, but the ideal visiting months are from August to November for resident birds and October to February for migratory birds. The nearest airport is Agra, which is 56 kilometers from Bharatpur. Delhi is 184 kilometers from Bharatpur. Regular rail services connect Bharatpur with all the major cities such as Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur and Agra. The Bharatpur railway station is about 5 kilometers from the bird sanctuary. Going and seeing the python hole, and our guide told that the python lives in a porcupine's hole, and in that hole there are 3 chambers or more than 3 chambers in which insect bats, porcupines and python lives. So these 3 live together. Python can't eat them because a porcupine has those stings kind of thing, and then it is a eco-friendly system. This is the hole. In winters, the same python comes and sits in that dried up tree. We could not cover the whole Bharatpur sanctuary, but the half of it is left. And the entry fees for adults is 90 rupees, and it is a discounted fees for Indian students. The fees for rickshaws is 150 rupees per hour, and then fees for guide is 250 rupees per hour again. The guide comes with his own cycle and his own telescope. It's really important to get a good guide and a rickshaw. That is the best because it goes slow and steady, and whenever we want it can stop and everything. If you don't take a guide, many rickshaw drivers also have those binoculars. This whole safari kind of thing was of like 5 to 6 hours. You can even stay here for 2 or 3 days because they have a lodge here, and many resorts and hotels are outside the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. You can stay there for 1 or 2 nights so that you can spend time here. You can come in the morning, in the evening and see pythons and different kinds of varieties of animals, birds. This bird sanctuary is worth spending time.
Hello.
Maza aaya? Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay. How much? How much?
Earth.
The size of Earth? Oh. Kevladev National Park, also known as the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, and the old name after it was reconstructed in 1855 or near 1855, its name was Ghana National Park.